Hi, my name is Chris Salato.
Hi, my name is Zakita Norman.
Hi, my name is Kelly Harrison.
Hi, my name is Michael Homey.
Today, we're going to take a tour of Dineen Hall, home of the Syracuse University College of Law.
The law school is located right in front of the JMA Wireless Dome, where Syracuse University football, basketball, and lacrosse teams play.
It is just a quick walk to the heart of campus where you'll find plenty of options to eat, exercise, shop, and enjoy everything Syracuse has to offer as your new home away from home.
Let's head into Dineen Hall for our first stop on the tour.
Welcome to Dineen Hall, a state-of-the-art facility opened in 2014 to meet the needs of modern law students. As we step into the atrium, you'll notice its unique design concept inspired by nature. Cascading lights are meant to evoke the flight of birds, with green, grass-like carpeting, blue sky, and natural light brightening the space. We spend a lot of time here in the atrium throughout the semester, with plenty of areas for individual or group studying. It's also the space where we come together for college-wide events, like Friendsgiving with Student Bar Association in the fall, career and org fairs, and other special occasions. Next, we're going to head over to the Melanie Gray Ceremonial Courtroom. If you are interested in advocacy, this is probably the best feature of Dineen Hall for you. Our appellate-style courtroom can hold more than 300 guests. We host all types of events here throughout the year, like naturalization ceremonies, film screenings, conferences, symposia, and even opportunities to observe state and federal court proceedings. As a student in our Advocacy Honor Society, I competed in final rounds of one of our intercollegiate competitions here, arguing before presiding federal, state, and local judges, faculty, and alumni. Our next stop on the tour will be the ground floor of the building. So let's head down the stairs and I'll hand you off to Nikita.
The ground floor has a convenient entrance from the Rayner parking lot behind Dineen Hall and is only steps away from the Campus West apartments, where a lot of law students live. Here's the Neparent Cafe, our dining area specifically for law school students. It's a great option for before-class coffee, breakfast, lunch, or snacks to give you the energy you need for the day. Just down the hall are our student lockers. One is assigned to you for the duration of your law school experience. And finally, to round out the ground floor, we have another smaller courtroom where our advocacy classes are taught. If you didn't already know, Syracuse Law is known for our advocacy program. We have a rich history of competition success over the years. Check it out. Let's take the elevators up to the top floor and work our way down through the law classrooms, where the magic happens. Let's head up now. Dineen Hall has 3 sizes of classrooms with a 10-to-1 student-to-faculty ratio. Here's one of the largest lecture-style classrooms, mostly for 1L classes. These are also the spaces where we host speakers and other special guests during the semester. Our elective classes take place in medium-sized or small seminar-style classrooms. Faculty offices are just down the hall from our classrooms, where you can go during office hours to discuss class questions and course content with your professors.
On our way down to the 3rd floor, let's take a quick break and head out to our terrace for some fresh air. It's great to come out here when the weather is nice just to study or relax for a bit. Occasionally, we even have classes out here. Now I'm going to pass you off to Kelly, who is going to talk about our centers, institutes, and clinics. On to the 3rd floor.
We have 4 nationally recognized areas of distinctive excellence housed in the College of Law: our advocacy program, the Disability Law and Policy program, the Institute for Security Policy and Law, and the Innovation Law Center. We've already discussed our advocacy program downstairs. The Disability Law and Policy program is the nation's most extensive program in the field, with a first-of-its-kind joint degree program in law and disability studies available to students through a partnership with the School of Education. Next, let's head over to the Institute for Security Policy and Law, a joint institute with the Maxwell School of Citizenship and Public Affairs. This is the place for students who want to work in national security law, post-conflict resolution, and cyber law. Now we'll head down the hall here to the Innovation Law Center. The Innovation Law Center brings student researchers and entrepreneurs together to bring new technologies to market. Students here work with real clients to get valuable experience in the commercial development of new technologies. There are even paid positions. Students who work in the Innovation Law Center have a 100% success rate in landing a job in the field upon graduation. Let's head down to the 2nd floor, home of our 6 legal clinics: the Betty and Michael D. Wall Veterans Legal Clinic, the Sherman F. Levy Low Income Taxpayer Clinic, Bankruptcy, Criminal Defense, Disability Rights, and transactional law. I'm a part of the Veterans Legal Clinic, where I've worked to represent actual clients who have been denied disability benefits from the VA. Next, I'll hand you off to Michael, who is going to show some composites of Orange alumni who also got their start here at Syracuse Law.
From federal judges, congressmen, state attorneys general, social justice leaders, the COO of JetBlue, general counsel for Starbucks, all the way to President of the United States, we're among good company. Now we're going to head to a space where you'll likely spend a lot of your time over the years, the Student Experience and Career Services Suite. Here you will find academic study and wellness resources, along with our Student Bar Association, 4 student-run law journals, more than 30 affinity and professional groups, and so much more. Each student is assigned to a career coach from the time they enter Dineen Hall as a 1L through their law school experience. This past summer, a career coach helped set me up with an externship at the United States Department of Justice, right here in Syracuse, which I'm continuing to do through this academic year. The team offers connections in so many locations across the country and can help you build your professional network in the city you plan to launch your legal career in. Also here on the second floor is the Office of International Programs, which operates our LLM program and 2-year JD program for foreign-educated lawyers. We're going to end our tour here in the library. Spanning 2 floors of Dineen Hall, here's where you'll find books on all subjects related to the law, and where you'll find books placed on course reserves by your professors. The librarians are always happy to answer your questions and guide you through databases, books, and other resources that are available to you in your studies. With over 550,000 volumes in the library, it has everything you need to prepare you to study the law.
And that's a wrap. Thank you so much for joining our tour.
If you have any questions, reach out to our admissions office.
The College of Law's Dineen Hall is such a great place to study the law.
We hope to see you here someday too.